Good morning, Redwoods. Monday morning, April 14th, 2025. Did you get outside? Did you? Look at that moon peeking around there. Good morning, moon. Good morning, sun. Good morning, oak tree. Also known as the faraway tree, one of the faraway trees. See a tulip tree back there. Some people say tulip poplar. The stuff, the identifier says that there is no poplar. I don't know, I've heard you hear lumber, like poplar lumber. But that's a tulip tree. Because it has flowers and it has the geese feet, paw print, or whatever you want to call it. Paw, it's not a paw. Anyway, we're here at Turtle Path. And if you've been paying attention, everything is turning green right before your eyes. Did you know these ferns just unravel? It's interesting to watch them. Or we just see what happens here at Redwoods. It's a sassafras tree saying good morning, moon. It's Monday morning. What are you gonna do with this day, with this week? I know sometimes it's hard getting going Monday. Maybe you ate too much on the weekend. Remember, get outside and walk. It's just, nature is, I feel like it's the cheat code for mental health. Maybe it's not for everybody. I understand that. But you don't know until you try. And it's free. All good things are wild and free. These rose bushes about to bloom. The flood and high winds took down I had a lot of trees, a red oak down, a cherry tree. But these sensitive ferns, they are literally popping up overnight. And it's crazy. They do so well in the spring, and then they have to deal with these. Well, we don't know if this summer is going to be dry. Here we are at the Idaho field. This kind of made a little, at the sanctuary back there. Got this new area. I'm trying to make a new pass through here that goes to the other side. Well, a lot of times I just want to shut up and let the nature do the talking. We're just seeing what happens in this field. This is the year, end of this year fall will be 2 total years. Got briars growing and Indian tobacco. And it's on 0.5 and put it on 1. So you can see it's all turning green just right before your eyes. Those floods are bad for a lot of people, but nature's gonna do what it's gonna do. I hope people aren't messing with it. I feel like there are some people messing with it too much. Guys, I saw a video, Aaron Clarey, he does a lot of hiking, so I listen to a lot of his stuff. He talks about places, hiking, and I feel like he's the best thing because he's not just saying here's the problem. He's saying, nature. I'm not saying he doesn't. I kind of wish he'd push a little harder with the nature, because I feel like there's so much. Maybe you're hiking trails. I'd like to see redwoods turn into networks of hiking trails, landowners have a spot that they want to clean up. Maybe they want to clean up this spot. It's kind of like the old CCC, how they did back during the Depression. Got people together to work on projects and national parks, and they'd send home money to the family. That was a great idea. I know some people say they got some like cheap labor out of it, but it was good for those young men. And they had one for the women too, I believe. Now you would just do it for everybody. That's the thing. I don't want any protected classes because we're all should be a protected class. That's when you fight so much to protect the class, think about what you're doing. As soon as you develop that class, you've just alienated the rest of everybody else. So just, this Redwoods this is for everybody. This is for everybody. I feel like there's certain groups that need it more than others, yes, but that doesn't take away from the fact that everybody can benefit. Did you get outside? Did you breathe? Good morning, beech tree. You want to identify some plants and trees. There's the May apples. They should call them February apples here. Some ferns. Got that maple tree up under this beautiful beech tree. If you remember, the let go vine was right here. We'd let it go this way. Now the let go vine fell, and I've put it in this pile. Remember, little things add up, Redwood. Little things add up. Good and bad. Try it out. Nature plus whatever it is, maybe it's just walking, equals improved mental health. Did you get outside? Did you breathe?